did you ever think about the victim in this situation then? That you can say that you respect animals without being a hypocrite at the same time. It's not about the how, because you figure it out.
Right.
You need to know the reason why. Yeah.
Animal cruelty. I have dogs.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have 2 dogs at home. So.
Yeah. And what's their names?
Elvis and Milo. I have a
Nice
miniature Schnauzer and a Shih Tzu.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I take a
Yeah, you can take photos. But is it okay if I speak more about this topic with you? Yeah?
Sorry?
Is it okay if I speak more about this?
Sure.
I would ask you the question, you would generally say animals should be respected, right?
Yes.
Is it ever respectful to, use animals for your own purposes? To exploit them?
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
For sure. I mean, I have dogs, like I said.
Yeah.
They live with us, and
Yeah.
pretty much they're family.
Yeah.
They sleep with us. We
Yeah.
take care of them.
They have names and not numbers.
Of course.
Like cows, chicken, and pigs, for example. And that is what we talk about. We show different forms of exploitation because in all these situations, animals are objectified. They are reduced to a product, to a resource.
Right.
And that can never be respect, right?
Of course.
Do you know the definition of veganism?
Veganism, I have no idea.
Yeah, so veganism is an ethical principle
Right.
that humans should live without exploiting other animals.
Okay.
So those who live vegan don't consume meat, milk, and eggs,
Right.
but they also don't wear fur and leather.
Right.
They don't go into zoos and circuses, and they don't pay for this horrible animal testing, for example.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So what about you? Do you still consume any of this?
Well, I do. I do eat
Yeah.
meat. I do eat
Yeah.
meat.
But did you ever think about the victim in this situation then?
Well, quite frankly, no.
No.
You know, if you see this, you would really think it's really horrible.
Yeah. And what is the difference then between your dogs, and between a cow that wants to live?
Nothing,
Yeah, it doesn't make sense, right?
obviously.
Do you know the biggest advantage of living vegan?
No.
No? So first one is, of course, for the animal. You would be one more person representing justice for them. And second would be for yourself that you can say that you respect animals without being a hypocrite at the same time,
Understood.
right? Aren't
Fair.
these 2 good reasons to make a change?
That's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how fast do the animals need you to do something? If you would be in the position of your victims, how fast would you need change happen?
Of course, it needs to be very quick. That's for sure.
Yeah. Because all of them are individuals.
Yes.
And for all of these individuals,
Yeah.
change is needed.
Right.
So if you agree in all of these points, do you feel anything else is stopping you from changing and living vegan now?
Really, I guess it's really more of, since I was a kid, I've always been eating meat.
You
So
say habit, right?
it's not something that I can just immediately flip.
Yeah.
I've tried eating vegan
Yeah.
because my wife is
Yeah.
a vegetarian.
Mhm.
I did for like 3-4 days, but because I'm an athlete
Yeah.
in the Philippines, so I compete.
Yeah.
I'm having a hard time actually
Yeah.
trying to keep up with
Okay.
the ability to keep up with the pace because
Okay.
I do like road cycling.
Yeah. So you say 2 things, like habit and the like how to.
That's right.
Where do I find the protein and
Right.
the energy?
Right.
And I would say, like the first thing or both things, if you would be now in the position of these victims, would you accept these points as good reasons to exploit you?
Of course not.
No.
Of course not.
And that is the thing we need to change, where we need to change the
Got it.
mentality.
Got it.
And for example, I would say I'm an athlete too. I do a little bit of different sport, but strength training.
Right.
And I have a friend who is a cyclist who was even competing at the World Championships.
Oh, wow.
And
amazing.
he's a vegan for 9 years now.
Wow.
So it's not a thing about the how to do it, because you figured out today with a smartphone in your pocket, right?
How long have you been a vegan? Out of
Me, 8 years.
Wow.
Yeah. And the thing is, like what I said, it's not about the how, because you figure it out.
Right.
You need to know the reason why.
Understood.
And you just explained every single step why to live vegan, right?
Fair enough. Yeah.
So considering all of these points, how many more animals should be exploited for you from this moment? 0 or more?
Fair point. Fair point.
What is your answer?
Shouldn't be none. Right.
Should be none.
Right.
So you're gonna live vegan now and find the
See
solution?
if I can do it. If I can try, I can.
Okay, and last point again.
Okay.
You are now in my position, in the position of the victim from me. I want to exploit you. I want to kill you. Do you accept the "I try"?
No.
What would be your only wish to me now?
No. It should be.
No, stop. And that's why I'm so direct.
Right.
The animal will never have the chance to speak to you
Fair
and
enough.
say, stop it.
Fair enough.
That's why I want to do it to you now, and you realize now is the time to live vegan.
Fair enough.
So you can do it.
Are you guys like a non-profit organization just actively promoting this?
Yeah, and it's an independent organization, and I'm doing this in my free time because I believe most people like you, in their heart, they want to respect animals, but society, the normalization, and the how they grow up, the people, stops them from making this final step and be consistent with their values, and that's why I'm here and hope that this is enough for you to make the change.
Man.
So
you know
you're gonna
what I
live
can
vegan
say?
now,
Yes, I will. Okay.
and check on that.
Man,
Strong.
massive respect to all of you, what you guys
Yeah,
are doing here. You
thank
guys
you.
are amazing.
Yeah, I want to give you a card.
Sure, sure.
Last question is, do you agree that animals also should be defended actively?
Of course.
How can you do that from now on?
Well, I take care of my dogs. That's
Yeah.
for sure. And of course, like stray dogs and stray cats, we normally report them to the
Yeah.
police. Because
And
we're in a different spectrum of the world.
Yeah.
Philippines is a third world country.
yeah,
So, people there are majority are not very much educated about all these things, So that's the challenge, really.
education is a big step.
That's right.
You can speak about this with people, with your friends, with
Yeah.
your family, and also turn them into vegans so they respect animals fully too.
That's
right?
awesome. Thank you very,
Very
much.
nice.
That's
What's
very
your name?
insightful.
What's your name?
Anthony.
Oliver.
Oliver,
Thank you.
pleasure to meet
also, Also, one last thing, you saw it. I'm also doing online
Sure.
content.
Sure.
Can I use this?
Of course.
I want to reach as much as
So,
possible.
are you doing this on YouTube or something?
Yeah,
I can follow you.
Instagram, for example, YouTube.
What's
and
your
stuff.
Instagram?
I can tell you. This one. Perfect.
There you go.
Then
You're awesome, man. Pleasure
Thank
to meet
you.
you.
Have a
Very
nice
insightful.
vegan day.
You too.